And what if I told you that you can make money with plantain without planting a single plant? Although it sounds unbelievable, today you can build a profitable, scalable business with high demand by transforming plantain into flour without needing to have a farm, plant crops, or wait for harvest. How is it possible? Thanks to the direct purchase of green plantain from local producers, the use of simple and accessible machines, and the growing demand for healthy products, you can start a venture from your home or a small warehouse. This is not a fad business. It is a real opportunity based on a global trend of conscious, healthy, and sustainable consumption. Instead of selling raw plantains at a low price, you can transform them into flour and multiply their value by 5 or even by 10. And best of all, without planting a single plant. You only need knowledge, decision, and an entrepreneurial vision to guide you. Write in the comments, "I am blessed," if you believe that very soon you will have your own business. Stay until the end, because in the next few minutes, I am going to show you step by step how this business works. From why plantain flour is so sought after, which machines you need, how much it costs to start, and how you can make money by transforming this food. This is not one more video. It is a practical guide so that you too can undertake without excuses, without waiting years, and without depending on land. So get ready, take notes, and above all visualize. Because this business is not only a source of income, it is a way to build freedom, help your community, and start your path as a real businessman or businesswoman. We live a profound change in the way we feed ourselves. More and more people are stopping consuming refined flours, gluten, ultra-processed products and foods without nutritional value. And in that scenario, green plantain flour has gained prominence. Rich in fiber, resistant starch, minerals and vitamins, this flour is not only healthy but also versatile. It can be used in bakery, pastry, beverages, baby porridges, shakes, protein blends, cookies, pet foods, and more. Its neutral flavor and pleasant texture make it an excellent alternative for celiac people, diabetics, or those with food intolerances. In addition, being a dehydrated product, it has a long shelf life, does not need refrigeration, and can be easily packed. All this has made its demand grow in health stores, organic markets, supermarkets, and digital platforms around the world. Now then, why is this opportunity so powerful for you as an entrepreneur? Because while many people see plantain as a fruit for daily consumption, you can see it as a high-value raw material. 1 ton of green plantain can be transformed into more than 250 kilos of flour, which can be sold up to 4 or 5 times more expensive than raw plantain. And since there are still very few producers doing it professionally, you have the opportunity to position yourself as a pioneer in your area. You can buy plantain at low cost in your region, transform it with simple machinery, and sell a high-value product with your brand. Imagine having constant orders from local stores, healthy bakeries, online customers, or even international buyers. All that is possible with a good strategy and the right machinery. The global consumption of alternative flours is booming. It is enough to look at the shelves of any supermarket: almond, coconut, rice, oat, and of course plantain flours. In many countries, plantain flour is already positioned as one of the best-selling, and its growth continues on the rise. On platforms such as Amazon, Etsy, or Mercado Libre, products that contain plantain flour have hundreds of positive ratings. And the most interesting thing, in many regions there is still not enough local supply. That means that you can start in a market with little competition, capture a specific audience, and grow quickly. In addition, plantain flour has industrial applications, since it can be used as an input in prepared foods, nutritional supplements, and infant foods. All this broadens your market and allows you to diversify. It is not just about selling bags at retail. It is about building a production system with multiple income channels. But you do not need a laboratory or a huge factory to start. You can set up your micro-transformation plant from home with a well-organized space and the right machines. The key is to understand the process and have the correct equipment. These are the main machines. 1. Plantain peeler. Imagine having to peel 200 kilos of green plantain every day with your own hands. Just thinking about it makes you lazy, right? Here is where the automatic plantain peeler comes in. A machine that transforms hours of manual work into minutes of efficiency. Its structure, normally stainless steel, is designed to remove the plantain peel without wasting pulp and with uniform cleanliness. You only have to place the plantains in the hopper, and the internal system peels them with precision and speed. This not only saves time, but improves process hygiene, reduces operational fatigue, and allows a single person to control all the peeling in a professional way. You can find these peelers in local distributors or import them from China, where there are models with capacities ranging from 100 to 300 kilograms per hour. Yes, you can bring them easily from Alibaba or similar pages, and it is also an excellent product to resell to other entrepreneurs who are starting. Once you have a peeler, you not only improve your production, you also open a new income door if you decide to become a machinery supplier. 2. Slicing cutter. After peeling the plantain comes the cutting, and doing it with a knife is not only slow, but the cuts usually come out uneven. The perfect solution is an automatic slicing cutter designed to offer precise, fast, and uniform cuts. This machine receives the whole plantain, pushes it with an internal piston, and passes it through an adjustable blade system that transforms it into slices of the exact thickness you need. You can define if you want thinner slices for quick drying or thicker ones for other applications. This improves drying, the final presentation of the product, and standardizes your process, which is essential if you are building a professional brand. Imagine a cutter working in your warehouse, doing the work of 5 people in a few minutes. These machines are also easy to import, come in manual or electric versions, and can be a secondary line of business if you decide to offer transformation services to third parties. Remember, yes, you can bring them from China, and in the description, we leave you the direct link to learn how to import. Third, industrial dehydrator. Here the magic happens. The industrial dehydrator is the heart of your micro-transformation plant. This machine is responsible for extracting all the moisture from the plantain slices without destroying their nutrients or altering their flavor. It consists of a metal cabinet with stacked trays, through which hot air circulates at controlled temperature. You place the slices on the trays, close the door, program time and temperature, and in a few hours you have a dry, clean, light product ready to mill. Imagine the warm air spinning through each level, gently drying each slice while you move forward with other processes. There are small dehydrators for 5 or 10 kilos and large ones with capacity for 100 kilos or more. They run on electricity, and some industrial models even work with gas for greater energy efficiency. You can import them from Asia or look for them in local manufacturers of food equipment. And yes, many people are also making money bringing these pieces of equipment and selling them in their regions. Remember, in the description you have the step-by-step to learn to import like a professional. Fourth, pulverizing mill. Once the slices are dry, you need to turn them into flour. For that, there is the pulverizing mill, a machine that grinds the dehydrated pieces until turning them into a fine, homogeneous, and excellent quality powder. It works with internal blades or hammers that spin at high speed, processing up to 100 kilograms per hour depending on the model. You only have to place the dry slices in the upper hopper, and the mill will do all the work, letting the flour fall through a lower outlet, ready to sieve and pack. Imagine a mill running in your kitchen or warehouse, producing soft flour with an aroma of fresh plantain while you prepare the packaging. Some models have interchangeable screens to define the grain thickness. They are compact, easy to clean, and you can get them locally or import from Alibaba, where there are plenty of options for all production levels. Yes, you yourself can bring this machine and also resell it if you decide to expand your business. It is an investment that pays for itself in a short time if you know how to use it well. 5. Automatic or semi-automatic packer. Presentation is everything. A good flour needs an attractive, safe, and practical package. Here the packer comes in, a machine that allows you to seal bags precisely, protect the content from moisture, and improve the visual appearance of the product. There are semi-automatic packers that you control with a button, and others totally automatic that fill, seal, print date, and cut. Imagine a 500-gram bag sealed with your logo, QR code, nutritional values, and even your brand name. This generates confidence in the customer and allows you to access health stores, markets, and supermarkets. The packer also improves productivity. You can seal hundreds of bags per hour without errors or contamination. They can be obtained from 1 million pesos at Colombian distributors or imported directly from Asia. And yes, it is also a very profitable product to resell. If you learn to import, you can bring a batch of packers and sell them to other entrepreneurs in your region. Packaging is not just a detail, it is a key positioning tool. These 5 machines form the core of a profitable and professional business. All are easy to operate, can be imported from China or acquired in your country, and also have resale or rental value. And remember, In the description, we leave you the links so that you learn to import by yourself without depending on intermediaries. Because undertaking is also knowing how to buy your tools intelligently. Estimated initial costs. One of the great advantages of the plantain flour business is its flexibility to start with limited resources and scale as your sales increase. You do not need to have a factory or $1 million credit to begin. You can start from your kitchen, move to a warehouse, and eventually set up your semi-industrial plant. Below, we break down the initial costs at 3 levels: basic, from home; intermediate, micro plant; and professional, commercial scale, explaining each component in detail. Basic scenario: production from home. Estimated investment: $800 to $1,200. This scenario is ideal to validate the business with your first batches of flour. It is perfect if you have little budget and want to learn the complete process before automating. Here, everything is done manually or with adapted appliances, making use of your kitchen space or a spare room. Cost components: green plantain, 500 kilograms, $200. At a price of 40 cents per kilogram, you can acquire half a ton of plantain directly from local producers or wholesale markets. This will allow you to produce between 100 and 125 kilograms of flour. Electric household oven, homemade dehydrator, $180 to $250. An electric convection oven with built-in fan can work as an initial dehydrator. It will allow you to dry small batches of plantain, although the time will be longer, 6 to 8 hours per tray. Industrial type blender mill, $120 to $180. You can use a steel blade mill or an industrial blender, Oster type or NutriBullet Pro, to pulverize the dehydrated plantain. It is slower and heats the product, but it works to start. Manual direct heat thermal sealer, $25 to $40. To close your plastic bags. You can adjust temperature and pressure manually. Digital kitchen scale, up to 5 kilograms, $10 to $20. Fundamental to weigh your flour into 250 gram, 500 gram or 1 kilogram bags. Plastic bags and labels, 500 units, $50 to $100. You can use stand-up zipper type bags, printed or labeled with sticker. Use craft paper or clear PET for an attractive presentation. Additional utensils, trays, knives, mandolin, gloves, $40 to $60. Intermediate scenario, semi-automatic microplant. Estimated investment, $2,500 to $3,500. This level allows you to professionalize your production. Here you already automate a large part of the process. You can produce dozens of kilos daily and offer a standardized product. Ideal if you are going to sell online in health stores or supply businesses. Semi-automatic plantain peeler, $400 to $600. Stainless steel machine, electric or assisted manual. Capacity, 100 to 200 kilograms per hour. Improves hygiene and reduces peeling time. Automatic slicing cutter, $300 to $450. Cuts plantains uniformly. Adjustable thickness. Some models allow changing blades for different cuts. Ideal to speed up the process. Medium industrial dehydrator, 12 to 24 trays, $800 to $1,000. Drying capacity, 40 to 70 kilograms per batch. Adjustable temperature. Some models run at 220 volts. Uniform and professional drying. Professional pulverizing mill, 30 to 50 kilograms per hour, $500 to $800. Pulverizes the dry slices into fine flour. Some models have interchangeable meshes to control granulometry. Powerful motor and easy cleaning. Semi-automatic sealing packer, $300 to $500. Hermetically seals bags with heat. Some have a vacuum function. Compact, tabletop design, ideal for constant production. Accessories, industrial scale, work table, sink, stainless trays, $200 to $300. Initial raw material, plantain, bags, labels, $300. Professional scenario, semi-industrial plant. Estimated investment, $6,000 to $10,000. Designed for entrepreneurs who want to dedicate themselves fully to the business. Here you can already produce at scale, sell to supermarkets, restaurants, or even export. The focus is growth, positioning, and brand. Possible business models. There are multiple ways to make money with plantain flour and the machines you have just learned about. The first is the most direct and accessible, retail sale to the final consumer. Here you yourself produce the flour, pack it in 250 grams, 500 grams, or 1 kilogram presentations and sell it directly through social networks, fairs, farmers markets, health stores, or even from home. You can build a brand, use attractive packaging, and sell to people who are looking for gluten-free, natural, and functional products. Many consumers are willing to pay between $4 and $8 for a kilo of quality plantain flour, when you can produce it for less than half. This model allows you to start without depending on intermediaries, build a loyal customer base, and have total control over your business. In addition, you can offer combos with recipes, make alliances with nutritionists or influencers, and leverage platforms like Mercado Libre, Amazon, or your own online store. If you know how to tell your story and show how you transform plantain, you not only sell flour, you sell health, tradition, and entrepreneurship. The second option is wholesale, or the B2B model, business to business, where you produce and sell in volume to businesses such as bakeries, restaurants, healthy pastry shops, natural food brands, or bulk stores. Here, instead of packing in small bags, you sell sacks of 10, 20, or 25 kilos with lower margins but larger and more frequent sales. This model requires less work in packaging, but it does demand consistency in quality and delivery times. A third model is the mixed one, where you combine direct sale and wholesale, which allows you to have constant cash flow and build a solid customer base. But it does not end there. Another very profitable model is to resell the machines you use. If you have already learned to import, you can bring peelers, mills, or packers and sell them to other entrepreneurs. You can assemble kits, offer basic training, and position yourself as a benchmark in your area. Finally, as you grow, you can scale towards new products derived from plantain: snacks, chips, cookies, pancake mixes, or baby foods. Thus, you diversify your offer, increase your income, and make your brand a complete ecosystem of food transformation. Scalability of the business. One of the greatest strengths of this business is that it is highly scalable. You can start from home with an oven and a small mill, but as your sales grow, your infrastructure, your team, and your vision can also grow. The first way to scale is by investing in more machines. A second dehydrator, a higher capacity mill, or an automatic packer that allows you to double or triple production without increasing working time. Then you can scale in product variety, launching new flavors or functional blends. Plantain flour with cocoa, with chia, oats, or turmeric for different audiences such as children, fitness people, or older adults. You can also diversify packaging formats. 250-gram bags for stores, 20-kilogram sacks for distributors, or premium presentations with differentiated branding. At the commercial level, you can scale in sales channels, opening your online store, working with marketplaces, or closing deals with supermarkets, natural distributors, or restaurant chains. And if you meet sanitary requirements and professionalize yourself, you can export your flour to countries where there is high demand and little local supply, such as the US, Canada, or Europe. This business can start as a home project and become a transformation plant with an international brand. The limit is set by you. Now visualize what your life would be like if you had your own business, profitable, stable, and healthy. Waking up every day, knowing that you generate income doing something that helps people, that improves health, supports local farmers, and gives you economic freedom. Imagine your family proud, your customers grateful, your community admiring you as a reference. Visualize orders coming in every week, alliances with stores and bakeries, and the possibility of working without bosses, without fixed schedules, building your future. You do not need degrees, only commitment. This business is a tool for personal and financial transformation. If you are tired of depending on others, this may be your opportunity to truly undertake. Because it is not just about selling plantain flour, it is about proving to yourself that you can. That with vision, consistency, and action, anyone can transform a plantain into freedom. The moment to undertake is now. And these machines can change your life. You already have all the information. Now the only thing left is to take the first step. In the description, we leave you the links to learn how to import the machines, contact reliable suppliers, and access more educational content like this. Subscribe to the channel if you want to keep learning about profitable businesses with natural products, transformation from home, and real opportunities for entrepreneurs like you. Share this video with someone who needs a clear and profitable idea to start. Because remember, you do not need to plant plantain to make money with it. You only need to transform. And when you transform products, you transform your life.